thanks for tuning in. Today, me and Kai, we're coming to you guys to do a taste test. We have 4 hopefully delicious items that we will be tasting and tell you guys what we think. Okay, the first one is these are Pringles, cinnamon, and sugar.
I tried them.
Thanks. All right, thank you. That's our mother-in-law. Okay, so we're gonna try these, and I don't know about a cinnamon and sugar. I'm a sugar freak, so they might be good, but I don't know. But I think we should let Kai. Here, Kai, you go first and tell me what you think. You already found it. You didn't even chew it. Where?
I don't like it.
You don't like it? Why?
It's sugar.
Yeah, sugar is good.
I don't like it.
But sugar not good though. Okay, let me see.
I don't like it. This is really gross.
Ew. Oh, these are horrible. These are not good. Let me tell you why.
I tasted it, wasn't good.
Okay, so my mother-in-law, she agreed. She said she's tasted these and they were good.
No. She tasted these.
Okay, we're gonna taste those in a minute. Okay, these are nasty because you can still taste the salt. Now, why would you want to taste the salt and sugar and cinnamon in one? Not a good mix at all. So we pass. All right, Kai, let me have the next ones. We know you don't like these. Let's try the other chips, the Pringles. Okay, we're gonna try these. So these are Cracker Jacks, and these are chocolate and caramel. Okay, caramel, yeah, but chocolate, I don't know about that. Okay, come on, let's try these. Okay, Kai, you gonna try these first? Tell me what you think. Ugh. Ooh, they look horrible. Look how they look. Kind of gross, huh? Okay, Kai, go. You taste. I don't want to leave. Look at them.
Ew.
You didn't even bite it, Kai. Oh, Lord have mercy. All right, this is how I look. Kind of creepy looking.
You like them, Mom?
Okay.
Okay.
Not bad. Not bad. Because you can mostly taste the caramel.
Ew.
Not too much of the chocolate.
This is actually good.
You just saying that because I said that. But the chocolate tastes like burnt almost. But not bad. I'm going to eat these, but I'm just not going to look at them. I'm going to eat them when the lights are off. Because they look gross. Okay. Next we have Pringles again. And these are white chocolate. Okay, Kai. You go first.
Okay. It's going to be a little bit gross. I just taste
Don't say it's gross until you try it. Try it.
Did you like it, Mom? Do you like it? I don't, Mom. It's this.
You can barely taste the white chocolate.
Mom,
You can taste the salt.
Mom, I really don't like it. It's really, really gross.
These are good. Only because I can't taste the white chocolate. You can just taste the... Stop doing that. Don't do that. You can just taste the salt. So if I'm going to eat a chip, that's what I want to taste. I want to be able to taste the salt. So you can taste the salt. Who wants a sweet chip? I'm cool. Next we have these Rice Krispies, and these are they're blasted s'mores. And Kai, he loves Rice Krispies.
But not with black.
Not with black.
No.
That's chocolate. You don't know. You might just like them. They come in individual packs. And there's 6 in a box. And let's see. You ready? Come on, stop acting silly. This is what it looks like.
Let me see.
You can see the chocolate. And you can see the
It looks so delicious like that on that side.
I guess this is grain.
Taste.
Oh, duh.
Let me taste.
The graham cracker. And I guess the caramel is what makes it stick together. You can't see the white. Not caramel, but the marshmallow.
Let me taste.
Okay.
No, you taste first. Is it good?
It's good.
Let me try.
It's good. Really, really, really sweet. You can't really taste the chocolate.
It's really
Can't
sweet.
taste the graham cracker.
It's sweet. Mom, it's delicious.
Just a Rice Krispie. A really sweet Rice Krispie.
Really good.
I know he would like it. Okay. I give this a thumbs up. Yeah. Thumbs up. 2 thumbs up. Up, not down. Alright guys, I'm about to pee out. I'm gonna eat another one. Thank you so much for coming over and watching our videos. And until the next video. Peace.